Replacing a door in your home is a great way to enhance both the aesthetic appeal and functionality of your space. Whether you're replacing an entry door, a patio door, or a bedroom door, preparing for the installation process is crucial to ensuring a smooth and hassle-free experience. If you're planning a door replacement in Sumter, there are several steps you can take to make the process easier and more efficient. Here's a customer-focused guide to help you get ready for your door replacement. Choose the right door for your needs. Before the replacement begins, it's important to choose the right door. Doors come in various materials, styles, and designs, each with its own set of benefits. Whether you're opting for a sturdy steel door for security, a classic wooden door for charm, or a contemporary fiberglass door for energy efficiency, you need to consider factors like insulation, security, durability, and aesthetic preferences. If you're not sure which door would be best for your home, consider consulting with your contractor or door supplier. They can offer expert advice based on your home's architecture, climate in Sumter, and your personal needs. Make sure you pick a door that not only suits the style of your home but also enhances its functionality. Measure and plan the space. Ensure that the measurements of your current door are accurate. This will help you avoid potential complications during the installation process. If you're unsure how to measure, it's best to leave this to a professional who can accurately gauge the size and fit of the new door. A proper fit is essential to ensure energy efficiency, security, and ease of use. Once you've chosen the door, your contractor will likely conduct a site inspection to ensure everything is set for installation. This is also a good time to discuss any potential customizations you may want, such as adding sidelights or decorative glass. Clear the area around the door. Preparing your home for the door replacement also involves clearing the area around the door. Make sure to move furniture, rugs, and any obstacles that might be in the way. This allows the contractor to have easy access to the installation site and minimizes any risk of damaging your belongings. If you're replacing a front or exterior door, check the exterior area around your door as well. Ensure there are no decorations, outdoor furniture, or plants that could get in the way. You want to create a clear path so that the installation crew can work without distractions or hazards. Ensure access to power and tools. Your contractor may need to use certain tools or power equipment for the installation. If you're replacing an exterior door, they might need access to electricity or power outlets to run tools such as drills or saws. Make sure you have access to the necessary power sources and that the area is well lit, especially if the replacement takes place during the evening or in the darker hours of the day. Additionally, if you are having a smart door installed, the electrician may need to connect wires or devices, so check if that requires any pre-installation work. Prepare for potential weather delays. In Sumter, weather conditions can sometimes be unpredictable. If you're replacing an exterior door, it's good to be aware that inclement weather could delay the installation process. It's always a good idea to have a flexible schedule, so check the weather forecast in advance and have a backup plan in case rain or storms disrupt the work. Also, be prepared for potential temperature changes, as the replacement may leave your home temporarily exposed. Your contractor will typically take steps to minimize any impact on your home's temperature, but it's good to be prepared, especially if you're replacing an exterior door in the middle of a season change. Set realistic expectations for installation time. Door replacement is typically a quick process, but the timeline can vary based on the type of door, its complexity, and the scope of the project. It's important to set realistic expectations about the time required. Most installations can be completed in a day, but certain custom doors or additional features like side lights, framing, or hardware might extend the time needed. Talk to your contractor beforehand to get an estimated timeline for the installation and plan accordingly. If you're planning to be at home during the installation, be prepared for the noise and activity that might come with it. Budget for the installation process. In addition to the cost of the door itself, there are other factors to consider when budgeting for your door replacement. Labor costs, any additional materials, and possible extra services such as removing the old door or repairing the door frame can all contribute to the overall cost. Make sure you discuss the full cost breakdown with your contractor before the work begins to avoid any surprise fees. Conclusion. Preparing for a door replacement in Sumter doesn't have to be stressful. By selecting the right door, measuring carefully, clearing the area, and setting realistic expectations, you can help ensure the process goes smoothly. Whether you're improving your home's security, boosting curb appeal, or enhancing energy efficiency, a new door is an investment that will benefit your home for years to come. Proper preparation ensures a seamless installation experience, leaving you with a beautiful, functional door to enjoy.